Hello Squarespacers, welcome to SQSPStarter blog tutorial. I'm Asiya Rahman from SQSPStarter team. In this series of tutorials, you'll learn how to get started with Squarespace. So if you're a beginner, you're at the right place. Today, we're going to learn about variants in Squarespace product page. Squarespace Variants offers different options or versions for the same product. For any product, we can have different variants such as color, size, or material. Squarespace displays variants as a drop-down menu on the page. The customers select the variants from the drop-down, and by setting variants, we are helping our customers to have more options to select any particular product. For example, if you are selling some clothing items such as t-shirt, they could be available in different colors, sizes, and materials. Customer can choose between these options and can select the desired product that fulfills their requirements. This helps to increase sales. By adding variants, you're giving your customers more options to select and find the relevant product. And alongside this, by having variants, your customers can quickly find all options within the same roof and they can select the desired ones. This improves the customer service and customer experience as well. Defines the customization options for different products like size, color, material, etc. And this helps you to stand out and provide unique experience to your customer. So let's jump into our website and see how we can add variants to any product page. So I'll go to pages and go to my store page. Within the store page, I can add different products. I already have some products, so I'll select any one of these. Going into the edit mode of our products, we can add the variants to them. So I'll click on these three dots and click on edit. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see inventory. So here you find the variants option, this one. So you can click on the add to add variants. First of all, I'd like to add a color variant, and my product could be in different colors like black, green, or red. Then I can add another variant like size. So suppose I am selling t-shirts, so I would like to add different sizes from them, and large. And next I could add material like it could be any kind of fabric. That could be lightweight fabric, summer's fabric, winters, or any kind of it. So these are the kind of variants I've added, and let's save and see how it looks like. Clicking on the save, see I have added 3, so 3 makes 27 kind of options for each. Save. And now let's see how it looks like. Clicking on this, and then coming down, see how it looks. Now I can select a material. That could be lightweight material, it could be in a small size, and with the color I will go with the black and just add to your cart. So this is how it would work. So that was all about the Squarespace variant in products, and in the upcoming tutorials we'll learn more about the commerce elements in Squarespace, so stay tuned for more, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Until then, take care and bye.